Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm still sick, and in today's video we are gonna talk this mini SOFIRN ST10 lamp. I have received this for product review and I'm using this since 3 or 4 weeks, maybe more than that. And let's see what is inside of the box. So I have packed it almost as it was originally, and when I have unpacked the first time, everything felt premium. So like even the box has some little dots on there, and it feels like a premium quality. And it was coming with this I don't know what is that thing called, but it is coming with that one, and with 2 rubber rings. First I was really suspicious, well, why do we need rubber rings, but you will see it later. And then we have the user manual, and that is in Chinese and in English as well. I haven't read it too much, but it has a really good indication. There is some graph, and I was really interested in what that is meaning, and you will understand a bit later when we check that lamp. So it's actually a flashlight or lamp, how do you like it. And if you see, since a month, even my child is using it and playing around with that, and there is no scratches. So even the build material, it's a very good material. And I hope it is charged at the moment, because it wasn't charged since a long time. And unfortunately, no, it is not. It is charged, but I put it back, the safety. Inside the box, inside of the battery, there was this small piece of paper. You have to remove it in order that you can connect it. And the one thing what I have noticed, there is a rubber ring. So you will understand that is IP65 isolation. I would even be really believing that it can handle the water really well. So, and the other thing what I have noticed during when I use this, if I screw that here halfway in, it is not working. And if you screw fully in, then it starts to work. And it has 2 LEDs, one on the top and one on the side. And here is the third one, which is, if you press it long, it is lighting red. And it doesn't seem so powerful on the daylight, but if you press it long, it is dimming. And if you double click it, then it is entering in a turbo mode. And the turbo mode, so we are in a very daylight, and you see the difference. So like even like that, it's showing a huge difference. And similarly, the bottom one, if you press it, it's entering in the turbo mode, and it's very strong. And if you press it long, you have to turn it off, and if you press it long, then you have the red one. And what I found out is red, it's really useful at night time. And even if you are in the red and you press it twice, it starts to send SOS signals. So if you are a traveler, then this tiny little beast can maybe save your life. So let's talk about the battery, because we have received an USB-C cable, and in the first 2 or 3 minutes when I have received it, I have looked at actually how can I charge this stuff. There was no charger at all. And what I found out, the battery itself, which is a lithium-ion battery, and it has 900 milliamps, which is pretty enough for that one. It is rechargeable, so you can plug that in like that, and in the top you have an LED as red and green. And if it's charging, then this is showing as red, and if it's fully charged, then it is turning to green. So it is really good one. To be honest, I had some concerns initially when I received it, because it is a free sample, but after this time I can fully recommend this lamp to purchase it if you are looking for a great lamp. About the battery itself, it is holding accordingly to the documentation. I cannot remember of the times, but yeah, here it is. So if you check this line, it is it is telling that how much it is running with one full charge of battery. So in overall, I'm pretty happy with that one, and thank you SOFIRN to send that item to me for the review. So I can really recommend this one because it's a really great product. Thank you very much. I wish you a great day.